Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and in this episode of Scott's Garage I'm going to share with you one of my favorite projects, and I've not shared this before on the Internet. I'm flying out here from Dallas, and now I'm landing in Montana. This is one of my favorite places in the world. I grew up here. It's where my parents still live, and I'm going to share with you a project I've been working on for years with my 84-year-old father, and I'm going to share that with you in this episode of Scott's Garage. All right, here it is, 1946 Willys CJ2A. My father is just the second owner of this Jeep, and he knew the original owner quite well. Most of the parts are original. The thing not original here are the tires and the seats. The seats, though, are authentic. They were purchased through Kaiser Willys Jeep parts. If you look at the dash here, all the instruments are original, including the odometer and the odometer reading. Underneath the hood is the original L134 engine. Now, this Jeep was purchased new in 1946 by the man in the foreground, a rancher in Montana. He brought it brand new the first civilian year for the Jeep, and he used it on his ranch for decades. His son, when he was a teenager, drove the Jeep mainly, and he decided to take out the original seats and put in what he thought were better seats. You can see now they're rotten. And he drove the Jeep until he threw a rod in the engine, and he simply left the Jeep in the field. It was there for years and years and years. Now, my dad has always wanted to own a Jeep, and he talked to his friend, the rancher, and just said, hey, could I purchase the Jeep? I'd like to restore it. And his rancher friend said, sure, I'd love that. So he sold Dad the Jeep. This is back in 2011 when we made arrangements for hauling it to Dad's town. Dad's original plan was to take it to a mechanic friend, which he did. The mechanic said he would work on it in his spare time, which meant he didn't hardly work on it at all. It just sat in his shop for a couple of years. He did sell my dad, though, an engine, an L134 that he had rebuilt. I convinced my dad, let's take it out of his shop, let's put it in your garage, let's make it our project. So we did. We took the engine that had been rebuilt and sold to Dad, and we sold it as a crate engine. It's there on the floor. And then Dad and I, we decided to rebuild the original engine. So it was just great to take this old engine apart and to take the time to understand it and to rebuild it. I learned a lot. My love for vehicles goes back to my dad in high school years, and we worked together, on this Jeep engine. So to me, it's both a simple engine, but also beautiful. I like just the engineering of it. The valves are built into the block. It's a very heavy engine, even though it's just a 4-cylinder engine. It obviously served our country well in World War II, but also civilians later. And so Dad and I just took our time. We rebuilt it. We finished the rebuild in 2013. That's when this picture was taken. I was still in my 40s. I had more hair and a lot more weight, and my dad was only 78 years old there. Now, in the next several episodes of Scott's Garage, I'm just going to show you recent work that we've done. Believe it or not, we just got it started just a few days ago, the engine that was rebuilt in 2013. But the next few episodes, again, I want to share this project with you. Now, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. If you like the video, please hit like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Scott's Garage. And as usual, have a great day.